Students, today we are going to see the first lesson of the civics. The lesson is understanding diversity. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First question, India consists of dash states and dash union territories. The answer is option B, 29 and 7. 29 states and 7 union territories. Then second one, India is known as a option A continent, option B subcontinent, option C island, option D none of these. Option B subcontinent. Then third question, Mawsynram, the land of highest rainfall, is located in option A Manipur, option B Sikkim, option C Nagaland, option D Meghalaya. The answer is option D Meghalaya. Then fourth one, which one of the following is not practiced in India? Option A Sikhism, option B Islam, option C Zoroastrianism, option D Confucianism. The answer is option D. Recognized official language of India as per 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. The answer is option C, 22. The next sixth one, Onam festival celebrated in option A Kerala, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Punjab, option D Karnataka. The answer is option A Kerala. The next seventh one, Mohiniyattam is classical dance of option A Kerala, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Manipur, option D Karnataka. The answer is option A Kerala. Then eighth one, Discovery of India. A book was written by option A Rajaji, option B VOC, option C Netaji, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Then ninth one, the Paris Unity in Diversity was coined by option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Ambedkar, option C Mahatma Gandhi, option D Rajaji. The answer is option A Jawaharlal Nehru. Then 10th one, V.A. Smith called India as dash. Option A great democracy, option B unique land of diversities, option C ethnological museum, option D secular nation. The answer is option C ethnological museum. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, geographical features and climatic conditions determine the dash activities of a region. The answer is economic. ECONOMIC, economic. Then second question, Jaisalmer, the land of lowest rainfall, is located in dash Rajasthan. RAJASTHAN, Rajasthan. Then third question, Tamil was declared as classical language in the year dash 2004. Then last question, Bihu festival is celebrated in dash. The answer is Assam. ASSAM, Assam. Then third Roman, match the following. Question number 1, Negroids. The answer is Indian face. Second one, coastal areas. The answer is fishery. Then third one, Zoroastrianism. The answer is religion. Then fourth one, unity in diversity. The answer is India. These are the correct answers. The next fourth Roman, answer the following question. Question number 1. Define diversity. The answer is we come from different backgrounds, belong to different cultures, worship in different ways, yet we live together. This is known as diversity. This is the first question answer. Then second question. What are the types of diversity? The second question answer is landforms and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religion diversity, linguistics diversity and cultural diversities. This is the second question answer. Then third question. Why is India called a subcontinent? The answer is a continent is a continent is a very large area of land with various physical features such as mountain, plateaus, plains, rivers and seas and various types of weather patterns. India has all of them. India is known as a subcontinent. This is the third question answer. Then fourth question. Write the names of 3 major festivals celebrated in India. The answer is Pongal, Deepavali, Holi, Vijayadashami, Ayudha Puja, Navaratri, Durga Puja, Dasra, Ganesh Chaturthi, Bidu, Kumbh Mela, Onam, Meladi Nabi, Ramjan, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti, Guru Nanak Jayanti and Raksha Bandhans. These are the major festivals celebrated in our country. So you write any 3 from this. Okay. The next fifth question. List out some of the classical dances of India. You write any 5 from this dance. Okay. Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, Manipuri, Odissi. You write any 5. Okay. The next sixth question. Why is India called the land of unity in diversity? The answer is unity in diversity. Though diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. Symbols such as the national flag and national anthem remind us of our great nation and the need to stay united. This is the answer. Thank you students. For more videos, subscribe my channel.